Hey you guys, I just wanted to go over the agenda for this week. So this week we are doing our Chapter 5 study guide. I gave this out during Life Ed. I tried to catch everybody, but if I did not, you can come and find me before class, or there is a digital copy in the folder and I'll show you where that's at. Then once you do your study guide, go over to Big Ideas and complete the practice test. You will need to post your showing work for that in Schoology to get points. And then in person, we're going to review the study guide. We're going to do a review game, and then we're going to test in person. So if you are absent for this week, please let me know, and I will send you a digital copy on Schoology of our test. So in our folder, you will see the study guide. If you click on this, there is a digital copy. If you either lost that paper copy or I couldn't find you during Life Ed. And then you will post your study guide here, so make sure to submit that. Then you will also see a place to post your practice test. You will need to post your showing work form as well as the grade that you received on your practice test. And then I put a little note here again just saying that if you are absent, let me know and I'll send you that test. So that's all we have for this week. And then you guys can get started early. Everything's due at 11:59 on Tuesday.